If you're experiencing login issues on Credit Sesame, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot common login challenges. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check the username and password you are using. Make sure there are no typos or extra spaces. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Update your browser or app. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you are still unable to log in after trying the above steps, reach out to Credit Sesame's customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue more effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues on Credit Sesame. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.